The Surge MasterCard can cost as much as $175 in fees during your first year, and that's before interest. For a starter card, that's one of the most expensive fee structures still active in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where those fees come from, what they do to your available credit, and whether this card makes sense at all. Here's the direct answer. Surge is an unsecured credit card aimed at people with bad credit. That means no security deposit. That sounds useful, especially if you can't afford a $200 deposit for cards like Capital One or Discover. But the fees are where it gets expensive. The annual fee can be up to $75 for the first year. On top of that, there's a monthly maintenance fee that can total up to $120 annually after the first year. That means your ongoing cost can stay high. Section 1. The credit limit problem. Many Surge cards start with a $300 credit limit. If your annual fee gets charged immediately, your available credit drops fast. That can push your utilization high before you even use the card. High utilization can hurt your score if you're not careful. That's the opposite of what most people want when rebuilding credit. Section 2. The interest. Surge cards often come with high APRs. That means carrying balances makes the cost even worse. If you carry $200 or $300 and only make minimum payments, interest stacks on top of the fees. That creates expensive debt fast. This card only works if you pay in full. Section 3. When it might still make sense. If you've been denied everywhere and need an unsecured card immediately, Surge can still get you reporting to the major credit bureaus. That's the real value. But compared to cards like Mission Lane or Petal, the fee structure is much heavier. That's the main issue. Quick recap. Surge can cost up to $175 in the first year. Monthly maintenance fees can continue after that. The biggest risk is losing credit limit to fees before you even spend. Your next step is simple. Check if you qualify for a lower fee unsecured card first, before considering Surge. If this helped you avoid expensive mistakes, like the video and subscribe.